Okay, here we are back inside MatrixGold once again. Thanks for tuning in. Hope the videos are helping you in your designing process. If they are, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. Tap on the notification bell for further content notifications. Leave me a comment if you'd like to take the time to do that. Also, hit like, share the content, and if you want to donate some coffee, you can hit the super thanks button down around here and donate a cup of coffee to the cause. All right, we have this thing here. I've had several questions. You get those notifications popping up somewhere in your when you break history, right? Somewhere in your interface while you break history, like moving something. There you get a pop-up, right? You can just click it and turn it off, or there's other things that you can do. You can go to one of the cogs, right? So if I go to quick commands and click on that cog, it'll load up onto my quick commands, right? If I go to notifications and I don't want to see those pop-ups for breaking history and other things, you can just go ahead and click it off and then just continue working. You just will not know exactly when you're breaking history and other helpful hints and stuff like that that it will give you, right? Also, you can put a time limit on it. This is in seconds, so it'll pop up for 5 seconds. So if I click on it and then 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and 1005, and it'll disappear after 1000 or after 5 seconds. All right, you can adjust that higher, lower, whatever. You can put a maximum up there. Like right now I have 3, right? But you can change that if you wanted to see, if you broke a lot of history commands, you can change it to 7, and then you'll have up to 7 that will pop up. Right now, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so you could adjust how many you want to pop up. Also, placement, right? You can place them in different areas. So you have a little location right here very quickly. You could go bottom center, do a preview. You could change them top left, preview. So there's lots of places that you can put them. Also, you have a set position. You can actually assign a place for it to be placed, right? So you can actually drag this onto another screen if you wanted to pop onto another screen, or you can place it, just drag it, and then wherever you stop and then hit save position, now they will pop up in that location. So if I do a preview, they'll just be popping up at this location for future. So there you go. But to turn them off, you just don't want them, just click that button right there with your notifications in any of the cog wheels, and you can get them to not to bother you. And sometimes there's one that sticks around, and you go to new file, and you get a new file out there, and it's still there, right? So you can just turn it off from that way too as well. So just FYI, hope it helps. Get rid of those for some of you. I don't mind them myself. I think they find kind of useful at times, but when one sticks around, it kind of is irritating a little bit. But now we know how to get rid of them. So thanks for watching. Good designing, and see you in the next video.